Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to do this easy wavy half up half down hairstyle. I've started with very curly hair and popped it into a side parting. Now I'm just going to gather up the crown area of the hair and I'm going to smooth this down with a dressing out brush and just pop it into a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And I'm going to pop it all over the top of the head and then gently pinch and pull for a little bit more texture. Next, we're going to take a slice of hair from the side of the head, leaving a little bit out to frame the face. And again, I'm just going to smooth this out with my brush to control any flyaways. And I'm going to twist this towards the head. Add some more of your texture spray to that twist and we're going to pop it to the right hand side of that little ponytail we've just done and secure it in place with a bobby pin. I like to do this by taking hold of a little bit of hair in the bottom of a bobby pin, rotating it in the opposite direction and then pushing it back inside the twist. Then we're just going to pinch and pull at that twist to make it more voluminous. And then just secure that twist to the side of the head with a bobby pin or two. And we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So take a small slice of hair, leaving some hair out to frame the face. Smooth this down with your brush and twist it towards the head. Apply your texture spray all along that twist. And all I'm going to do is create a small hole behind that first twist, pop my fingers through, and then pull the twist from the opposite side all the way through and just secure it with a bobby pin. And then once more we're just going to pinch and pull at that twist for some more volume. Make sure you secure it to the head with another pin. I'm going to add some texture spray all throughout my curls, and then to loosen everything up a bit I've taken my GHD dressing out brush just to make this more of a wavy style. Then I'm just finishing it off with a touch of shine spray to help with any flyaways. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.